So today I want to talk about what might be one of the most important accessories for your Ford F-150 Lightning. And no, it's not exactly what you probably would think about when you're talking about accessories that you need for a full-size pickup truck. And the accessory that I'm specifically talking about today is a tempered glass screen protector for that massive infotainment display that you have in your center console. I mean, think about it. You use that thing to control all aspects of your vehicle, from charging to music to various settings in your vehicle comfort. If something were to crack that screen in the course of usual truck type activities, which is totally possible, you're going to be out of luck with managing most of your car's controls. And I can tell you, those things will cost you a pretty penny to get replaced. You wouldn't take your phone, your tablet, or any kind of device out with some type of protective case or screen on it, so you definitely should not be taking your truck on adventures without some type of protection on that screen. So today, I'm going to go over an install and review of the Spigen tempered glass anti-glare screen protector built specifically for the Ford F-150 Lightning screen. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Max, and let's get into it. So Spigen is definitely my favorite screen protector company. I use them on my phone, I use them on my Tesla Model 3's infotainment display. They really create a high quality, easy to install product that not only protects, but adds to the functionality of whatever you're installing it on. They did not send me this product for free, nor did they sponsor this video. I simply like this product enough and think it's so important for your vehicle that I wanted to talk about it on the channel today. And while this specific install is for the F-150 Lightning display, Spigen makes screen protectors for basically any type of electronic or screen in your car that you could think of. So if you're interested in doing something like this, definitely check them out and check out the products they have to offer. As always, I'll include a link in the description below if you want to see this specific product, but you can always search on Amazon and find something similar from the company for your specific need case. When you do get this box in the mail, don't be put off by the screen not looking like the actual device you're installing it on or the generic display. As long as what you ordered in the description matches the vehicle or the device you're using, you're gonna be fine. This does match my Ford F-150 Lightning Flash series, even if the screen on the image does not look like what I have in the car. So let's get into the install. So getting right into the box, you'll see that the product comes with a large tempered glass screen protector with a cutout specifically for the volume knob on the F-150 Lightning screen. Then it also comes with some baggies with additional install tools. These include a sticker for moving dust and debris, a wet towel to wipe down your screen, a microfiber to dry it off, and then finally a squeegee to help work out the bubbles that may form after install. So getting right into it, first we're going to use that sticker, like I said, to remove dust and debris. Next we use the wet towel to clean off the screen, and finally we use that microfiber to dry out all the wet spots and remove any remaining smudges or fingerprints. With that, the screen is completely prepped for install. Now the difference between this screen protector and others I've done by Spigen is that this one does not have any bracket system. The others that I've used for installs actually have a plastic bracket that the screen protector is already mounted in, so you're able to press it and align it perfectly on the center of the screen. Something about the way the Ford F-150 screen is designed, whether it's the way it's laid into the dash or that button in the center, prevents you from actually having that feature. As such, you do have to be patient and take your time with lining that screen up to the edges and make sure you have it attached so it's perfectly centered. You're not going to want it to look wonky given the fact that you're going to be staring at the screen all the time as a part of using your vehicle. As you can see during my install, once I removed the adhesive covering and started attaching it to the F-150 screen, I did pull it back a few times and was very ginger at the beginning to try to make sure that it was lined up. Just make sure that you're lightly attaching it while you're doing the lineup so it's not difficult to pull it back and replace it to ensure you're satisfied with its placement on the screen. Once you are satisfied with the alignment, you take your finger and rub it along the center of the screen to allow the full adhesion to start, and you should see that start spreading out as it forces the air out from underneath the screen. Now when this is done, there will be some bubbles underneath that you'll have to work out, and that's where that squeegee comes in, where you can use that to work out those bubbles. Now, don't be concerned if when you're doing this, you end up with a few small bubbles that are not coming out even with the squeegee or keep reforming. For whatever reason, this does happen with screen protector installs, whether it be in your car or anything else, and typically over time, they will work themselves out. You'll see I have a couple at the end of this install that I can show you at this point, days later, that those have all worked themselves out, and I have a perfectly clear screen protector with no bubbles. But yeah, once you're satisfied with that step, remove the protective exterior cover to the screen, and your install is complete. And again, this is an awesome product from Spigen. What I love most about this specific screen protector for your car display is that soft matte exterior. Not only does this work to reduce glare so you can easily see your screen even with the sunlight beating against it, but the feel of it is also fantastic. It truly mitigates the amount of fingerprints that would show up on a glossy display, and it just has this silky smooth finish that is just really nice to touch when you're interacting with your different controls and features. I do wish they had figured out or modified a design to still utilize a bracket system so I didn't have to do any kind of guesswork with doing my install, but honestly, it wasn't that bad, and as long as you're taking your time with it, you can definitely figure it out and make sure you get a nice clean finish that aligns completely even with the bezels of your infotainment display. So all in all, I definitely recommend this screen protector. It's definitely a must-have accessory if you want to keep your screen from getting cracked. You don't want to spend the thousands of dollars of getting that whole thing replaced if something were to crack it in the course of using your truck. Right now on Amazon, you can get one of these for $39.99, so really not a bad deal at all. As always, I'll include a link in the description below if you're interested in this product, so definitely check them out, whether it be for your car's infotainment display, your iPad, your phone, whatever you need that needs protection. Spigen is a great company when you're looking for that type of accessory. But yeah, that's all I really had to talk about today. If you did like this content and you want to see more, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to see more. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.